Everybody just hang on a second.
Fuck, things must be bad if Teepo's giving a fuck.
Why the fuck are we listening to Oozed? Has everybody forgotten that they can't be trusted?
I'll do anything to get my nuggy back. I would destroy whole star systems, leave civilizations as dust, see whole species rendered extinct in an instant. But I will find my nuggy. So, is that a no? Look, Raz. Silence, all of you. If you are not helping me, then you stand in my way. And I will remove you from my path. Whew, I'm out. Raz, we all want Blettin back.
Whoa, steady on now.
But you can't keep lashing out at the people trying to help you. Help? Tell me, how exactly have you helped so far? Does anyone have any popcorn? By stopping you from doing something stupid. Rich coming from a far inferior being. This is better than Netflix. Like trusting Oozed and fighting among ourselves. You're wasting my time. Blettin's trail grows colder by the second.
Enough! Raz, if you had a lead, you'd be following it already. And you've already said so much stupidly horrible stuff to Kooray that you'll regret it.
Not today, not next week, but you will.
When really we should all be joining together to...
To what? Sing a song? Say a prayer?
To interrogate Oozed properly.
I really don't know anything. Now, that's not true.
You were goading everyone with vague and suggestive implications.
And not the fun kind.
You suggested nobody knew Blettin as well as they thought they did.
As if you knew something we didn't. No, hang on.
Nuh-uh, that's what you said.
So it's time to tell us what you know. Or what? You'll do good cop, bad cop?
Well, I'm the bad cop.
And I'm the worst cop. The much, much worse cop.
But do you know what's even worse than the worst cop?
Oh, no. Me. Now just hang on a moment. I have been patient, Oozed, but it just ran out.
How is Raz doing that?
Now, come on, Raz. We've known each other a long time now. Sadly, yes. And it won't be true for much longer if you don't tell me what you know. Wait, I need a minute. You've had plenty of time. No, Raz, Kooray, I know you won't let Raz hurt me now. I have no clue what I've ever done to give you that idea. Prepare for pain. Yes, I'm, no, DC, it's just a game we're playing. No, it's... It's, easier if we show you.
You don't have to be naked.
Sure. Can we get on with this? Right, time to spill, Oozed. I've already told you everything I know. I don't believe you. There's something you're not telling us. What was the phone call about, Oozed? I didn't hear anything now. Wrong answer. You've got this all wrong, Mum.
We've been patient, Oozed.
But now we're angry. I can't tell you what I don't know.
Maybe you need to think back to what you saw.
I told you. Think harder. Okay. There is one thing.
Of course there is.
How convenient. The phone call I saw Blettin have. Yes? Got agitated.
You already told us that.
Too bad. Wait. Before that, at the start of the call, Blettin was excited.
And what makes Blettin excited?
Fucking Raz? Asphyxiation while being spanked?
No, ice cream.
Yes, that's it. Ice cream. I heard him mention ice cream. Clever monkey, man.
Shut up, Oozed.
It's something, but without knowing who Blettin was talking to, we're still no better off. Maybe I can use my security systems to trace the signal.
You could do that?
Of course.
Then why the fuck didn't you do that in the first place? Why did we waste all this time interrogating Oozed?
Just because Blettin is missing doesn't mean we can't have fun.
Fucking morons.
Hold on, Nuggy. I'm coming.